Morning guys, Simon here at Unity Beach in Breen Sands. Next up to show you is this 2021 Swift Loire, 35 by 12, 2 bedrooms. Nice plot down here on number 9. Previous owners have actually put in swing gates on the plot to provide off-road parking. Generous plot still. Would be lovely to have a bit of decking on here. Would really make all the difference. There we are. So sun sets directly over there. Nice plot. Let's get you inside for a look. So 2021, double glazing, central heating, nice van, very, very spacious. So site fees will be included for this year. Really generous wraparound sofas. Double bed underneath there. So whilst it's a 2 bed, it will sleep 6. Really open, light, bright and airy. Nice spot there for a decent sized television. There we are. Nice dining area as well. And integrated appliances. So, there's our microwave, full cooker, fridge and freezer. Like I said, 2021, really great thing. Got this one on for $44,995. Site fees included for the rest of this year, 2026. We are just a stone's throw away from Easter. And the weather is looking absolutely glorious. So loads going on down here. We'll take you down to the main accommodation. Here we are into the main bathroom. Nice layout for the bathroom. Heated towel rails. And the 2 bedrooms. Great family one, this one. So we have a twin in there for your guests or the children. Good storage facility and into the master bedroom. There we go. Nice little vanity area there. Plenty of storage, double wardrobe. And of course, being a 2 bed in the Loire, a nice ensuite as well. So double entertainment venues down here on site. Lots going on, full pool complex. Steam room and sauna. Membership to the gym. Now you'll get 12 passes for all of these things. Okay, you access them every single day. That is exactly what we'd like you to do. But you can see this one is really spacious. Give me a call, 07 973 620 351. I'm Simon. Talk to me about this or any other holiday home that we may have available here on Park. Talked about the developments, the new entertainment venues, even the fishing lakes. We've got an 18-hole golf course on site at our country club. You get access to that as well. So 07 973 620 351. Give me a call, book an appointment, come down and see this one. Thank you guys.